Hey, what's up, guys? We got this 2024 Tundra that we're going to be doing a vehicle wrap. And today, this video, we're going to be talking about how to remove the door panel from the inside and remove these door handles so we can get this ready for you guys. Follow us and check it out.
All right, so
You such a buffet.
goes from the back. You pull it off. So this will be a star. Grab this. Pick this up. So it's gonna be a star. Then this is a push lock. Push in. It's unlocked. Gonna check our whole thing. Make sure everything is good. Everything is good. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, and we'll pop it off real quick. So we're gonna push this one out. Little push lock. Let's pop it out, just so it doesn't fall. Alright, put your hand to the back. You're gonna feel it. This is a clip. Out. One's out. It's out this way. Clips are out. Clips are perfect. Push that down. Let's get this off. So now we're able to remove the bottom part. So let's take off the screws and pop it off. Alright guys, so now we're gonna pop up the panel. Don't be scared. Make sure everything's up. Push up. Once everything is unclipped.
Alright, guys, make sure to take off the window switch. On the bottom of the window switch, there's going to be a 10mm bolt that we're going to have to remove, and the rest of the stuff will come up. Let me go ahead and take it off real quick.
This is for the speaker. It's a little switch. There's a little clip right here on the edge that pulls out. These just slide out, pop out very easily. And your switch for this thing, for your window. So we're gonna go ahead and put the switch back on. Put the switch back on so we can go ahead and put the window down in a bit. So we're gonna grab this. Pull it consistently so you won't rip it. So you notice these for the door handle on the Tundra, we're gonna pop these up. See. Out. Do it my right hand. There you go. We're gonna pop out, right? And then we're gonna take out that torque so the door handle can slide off very easily. So let me get the torque real quick. Alright guys, it is a T27. Loosen that. I'm gonna pull this up. Let's loosen up a little bit more. A little bit more. There you go. That just slides off. So what that does, it loosens up this screw and lets this move backwards. So I just snap it back on. We're gonna slide it back off. Easy. So free for the screw to fall. The screw fell, guys. Let's get it out real quick before we proceed with our day. Let's fish for this shit. inside. Oh, it's sticky. Alright, so we got the screw. Let's put the screw back on. Put this phone. So this screw is for this little metal thing. And what this does, it tightens your base to keep the door handle in place.